Are you giving a presentation and want to call attention to one part of your slide? Want to make a permanent mark on the slide as you're talking and highlight a piece of data? Use the pen in slideshow mode in one easy step. I'm Laura Mae Martin, Google's Productivity Advisor, here to show you how to work your space in Google Workspace. Today we'll show you how to use the pen feature in Slides. Let's get started. In Slides, when you're presenting, go to Slideshow, then click the three dots and turn on the pen. Use the pen to mark the slide. So there you have it. Use the pen in Slides in one easy step. If you have any specific questions about this tip, leave them in the YouTube comments below. Looking for more tips just like this? Subscribe and click the links below to follow us on social.